BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 141 of season 3. Today's word is optimistic. Would you like to know what it means? It means hopeful and confident that good things will happen in future, or expecting favorable outcome. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word optimistic. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Optimistic is spelled as O-P-T-I-M-I-S-T-I-C. The word optimistic means a feeling that good things will be happening in the coming time and the outcome of an event will be as per our expectations. For example, the governor of the central bank said that he was optimistic about the growth of economy in near future. Listen carefully how we can use the word optimistic in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The latest award-winning book details the struggle of a peon who became a teacher in a government school. It gives a message to the readers that despite hardships, an optimistic thinking and perseverance helps to achieve our goals. Well, don't you agree with this? Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Jasbir is a motivational speaker. Recently, she was invited to speak at a gathering of earthquake survivors. She empathized with their suffering and spoke words of courage. She ended her speech on an optimistic note and there was a huge applause, means clapping. Now let us understand example number 3 of 8. Paresh designed online classroom software for students to learn chemistry. He was optimistic that the concept will catch up and many students will enroll for the program. It took a while for the registrations to come in, but soon he was running a lucrative business. Example number 4 of 8. The rock climber suffered massive injuries and was bedridden for almost a year. But he displayed tremendous willpower and that made the doctors optimistic that soon he will recover completely. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our Advanced English Fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The sale of companies' washing machines had been lackluster this quarter. However, the government announced that a large number of small towns would get electricity soon. Due to this, the company hoped to achieve optimistic sales figures. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The monsoon forecast for the coming year is optimistic. Therefore, the farmers have made plans to cultivate larger areas of land. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. Mr. Baig announced that the project would be completed within 6 months. His team members were surprised to hear this because they thought that the target date was too optimistic. Example number 8 of 8. The electric car manufacturer won the rights to be the sponsor for the marathon event. The chairman was ecstatic and optimistic that this would help the company to build a strong brand image. Today we learnt the word optimistic, which means hopeful and confident that good things will happen in future. Expecting favorable outcome. Can you frame 3 sentences with optimistic and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to upgrade your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 141 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.